To 8 weeks of Mahashivratri, you will receive your Rudraksh at your address. As you know, on Mahashivratri, Sadhguru had taken a unique initiative. More than 3 million registrations have been made for Rudraksha. But now people from different regions in India are coming with comments our Rudraksha has not been received yet. The packaging of 3 million Rudraksha and dispatching it at the right address, this work is being done by volunteers of Isha Foundation. In 4 to 8 weeks of Mahashivratri, you will receive your Rudraksh at your address. When your Rudraksh will be dispatched, you will be notified by SMS and you will able to track it further. If by mistake you do not get Rudraksha even after 8 weeks, you can contact on this email ID. Let us now see what you have to do after receiving Rudraksha. Rudraksha will be reached your house in a few days, so you have to keep it soaked in ghee for next 24 hours and keep it soaked in milk for next 24 hours so that Rudraksha will become to its real state. Your Rudraksha should not be touched by anyone else. Do not give to wear it. This powerful Rudraksha is influenced by the memories of the person who touched it. If for some reason you cannot wear the Rudraksha, you should keep it in white cloth. If you use soap with chemicals, do not wear it while bathing. Rudraksha you always have to wear around the neck. Men and women of all ages can wear Rudraksha. The woman can also wear it during the menstrual cycle. There are no restrictions on eating veg or non-veg, but vegetarianism will be the best.